Everyone, welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is April 14, 2015. What you're going to see here is that the market is coming under a little bit of pressure. Looks like we just had a retail sales report. Futures were down about a point, and you can see how they've just really tapered off right here. They've come down on pretty good volume. So futures are trading lower. You'll also notice that the dollar-yen on my left side here has dropped as well. So dollar-yen moves lower. Generally, the market will follow. And that's pretty much what happened here after the retail sales report. You could check out the news or the numbers for yourself. Again, market coming under a little bit of pressure this morning. We'll see how it settles out. We did get some selling pressure yesterday as well. And we'll see how this all plays out today. But again, this is an options expiration trading week, meaning this Friday will be options expiration for the month of April, third Friday of every month. So traders want to take note of that. But we have a lot of stocks in the news. We're going to kick it off here with JP Morgan reporting earnings. Stock right now is trading at $62.60, closed at $62.07, so it is upticking a little bit. Was trading above 63 temporarily. I'm going to still give JP Morgan the upside bias here. If it can get above 62.50 on a daily chart close, stock has upside potential, probably to $64.50, maybe even $65. But either way you slice it or dice it, JP Morgan still is holding up pretty well this morning. Even though it is off of its morning highs, it is still positive. This is a stock we will keep on the radar today. We will look to trade this during the intraday stock chat room. If you haven't come over and tried out the intraday stock chat, come take a 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Earnings season is underway. We also have Options X. There's going to be a good amount of volatility in a lot of different equities. Come on over, take advantage of it. We've had a dynamite 2015 so far. All right, let's take a look here next at FAST. This is Fastenal. Stock is trading all the way up at $42, closed at $40.02. I'm going to give this the upside bias, believe it or not, to 43 bucks. I think that's where the stock runs out of steam. So if you own it, try your stop loss. If you don't own it, it's tough to get in here now because it's already made its move. But I'm going to give it the upside bias right to $43. I think that could be a potential resistance level where we could possibly scalp it on the short side. But again, we'll look at this once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, let's take a look at Wells Fargo. They reported earnings as well. I think the earnings were okay. Stock is selling off a little bit. Right now it is trading at $53.96, closed at $54.59. I have a minor support level at $53.48, and then I have a buy level, a true buy level at $51.43. So by some chance, if it does get down to $51.43, I will be all over it on the long side. However, you may get a little bit of a short-term scalp bounce at $53.48 today if it does get down there. So watch that level. Stock is approaching that area now. Let's take a look at Johnson & Johnson. Ticker symbol is JNJ. What you're going to see here is stock is trading at $100.82. It did close at $100.55 yesterday. This stock is very range bound. The high range is around $102.30. That is the high range. The low range, if we do get a sell-off, would be around $98.35. So again, I think J&J is going to stay in that range, but it could be a good intraday stock to trade today. So keep this on the radar. Again, we're going to watch this on an intraday basis. It could be a good play. Let's take a look at Nokia this morning. Looks like they're in talks to buy out Alcatel-Lucent or Lucent-Alcatel. Stock right now is trading around $7.95. I think most of the news is already baked into the cake, but we'll see how it plays out. The maximum I could see this going up would be around $8.65 today. And if it does sell off, the most I could see it really going down would be around $7.50 today. So again, keep Nokia on the radar, but it will be very, very range bound. And again, they are in talks to buy out Lucent-Alcatel, and we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at ETH, which I believe is Ethan Allen Interiors. Stock is trading at $26. The only spot I'm looking at today would be around $24.90. If it gets down there, look for a scalp bounce on the long side. Remember, a scalp is nothing more than a quick day trade lasting between 10 minutes and potentially as long as 1 hour. If we take a look now at NSC, I believe they guided lower. This is Norfolk Southern. Stock right now is trading at $99.60. What you're going to see here is that the stock closed at 104.87, so that's a big decline for Norfolk Southern. I will have gap levels in the chat room for this one at 9 o'clock. So if you want to trade this one alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see how we maneuver right through this one. All right, let's take a look at the rest of these rail stocks. UNP, Union Pacific, getting hit today as well. Stock closed at 108.47. It is now trading at 106.20. I have a level here at 105. So if it gets to 105, 105.05, 105.02, somewhere in that 105 level, that is a spot to get involved in UNP, which is Union Pacific. Let's take a look at CSX, another rail here. The stock is trading at 32.05. I like 31.50 here for a long side scalp. Let's take a look at CNI. This stock is getting hammered as well. This is Canadian National Railway, and what you're going to see here is stock is trading at $65. Close at $65.93. A level I like here is $62.95. Keep that on the radar. They are lower levels, but they are scalp bounce levels. Let's take a look at JB Hunt since we're sticking with the transports here. JBHT is the ticker symbol. What you're going to see here is that this is trading at $89 a share. Closed at $87.73. So good little pop here. Now you are into daily chart double top for this stock. That high is around 90.46. So it's got to clear there. Once it clears above $90.46, this thing can run easily to 92.50. So again, JB Hunt with a little bit of a move today. We're going to keep that on our radar. One thing I just noticed is the casino names are coming under pressure this morning. Wynn Resorts down a little bit. Stock closed at 133.60. It's trading right underneath the 131 level. LVS is up. Didn't mean to do that. LVS is trading also lower. It's trading at 56.95, closed at 58.05. They're going to be in play today. LVS level I have for that is 52.53, $52.53. Watch for a bounce play there. Let's take a look at MPEL, which is Melcro Crown Entertainment. Stock is trading at 23.10. I don't have a level for this yet. There'll be a little bit of support at 22.70. We'll watch this one when the opening bell rings. So we have a lot on the radar today with earnings season kicking off and also Options X. There should be a ton of activity. Let's take a look at the gold futures here. Gold futures are getting hammered today. They're down about $9 at the moment to $1,100.90 an ounce. GLD right now is trading at 114.24, closed at 115.14. So you're seeing a dip there. Be careful here, but this is still a very volatile play. So this can easily reverse, but we got to watch for patterns. So we're going to keep gold on the radar. There's nothing I would do with it this morning. Light sweet crude is trading higher by 46 cents to $52.37 a barrel. Let's move over to the USO, and you're going to see that's trading around 18.63. Nice little uptick today. I don't think there's much more to it. Could go as high as 19.20. I think that would be maximum for the USO today if it does spike higher, but that would be the upside that I can see right now. 19.20 would be just about all of it. So we'll keep that on the radar. We'll see how that plays out. Remember, crude is still a very, very tough trade. It is affected by the dollar. It is affected by geopolitical events, and it's also affected by weather. But the dollar is the primary catalyst that moves oil and the USO. All right, I think I covered everything that I wanted to get through today. Again, futures are down $2.75 on the S&P 500 E-minis. We'll see how this market trades out today. Lots of action. There's a lot of stocks in the works here, and there's a lot of levels that I've given out this morning. So again, we'll see how this market plays out once the opening bell rings. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the InTheMoneyStocks intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing each and every day. Come trade along with us. It'll be a lot of fun, and you make some money in the meantime. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.